Okay, with this one, for this example here, we have both power of a power property happening, and we also have power of a product property happening. So I'm actually going to begin right off the bat with our first part of our multiplication problem here. We have 4x squared y all raised to the power of 2. Because there is more than one base inside of the parentheses, I've got to use power of a product property where this exponent 2 is going to be distributed to every term on the inside. So when I distribute it, it means to multiply it. So it's going to be 4 squared times x squared times 2, because I have to multiply these exponents together, times y. Although there is no exponent next to y, we can assume it's 1. So 1 times 2, or I can just put y squared. Okay. Multiplied by 2. And we're going to move through to the next part. If you see here, y to the third, all raised to the power of 4. This is the power of a power property because I've got these exponents here that I can multiply. So I'm going to keep y, and I'm going to multiply my exponents 3 times 4. The reason why I'm showing it expanded like this is so visually you can see how we start our simplifying. I'm going to go through each one. Can I simplify 4 squared? Yes. 4 times 4 gives me 16. Times x, 2 times 2 is 4, so x to the power of 4. Times y squared stays. There's nothing I need to do here. Times 2y, 3 times 4 is 12, so it's 2y to the power of 12. I'm still going to go through and simplify. This is where I'm going to start color coding here. I've got 16 and 2 that I can combine together. 16 times 2 is going to give me 32. Okay. Do I have anything for x to the power of 4 to combine our group? No, so x to the power of 4 stays where it's at. And then I do have bases here that I can combine. I have y squared and y to the power of 12 that I can combine. And when I go ahead and combine those, it's going to be y squared times y to the power of 12. And because they have the same base, you keep the base. And since we're multiplying here, this is the product property. 2 plus 12 will give me 14. Do not multiply 2 and 12 and tell me it's 24. We add these exponents here. 12 plus 2 is 14. I'm going to go through and I'm going to highlight all of the products, which is the answer to my multiplication problem, 32, x to the power of 4, and y to the power of 14. And I'm going to have a simplified answer of 32, x to the 4th, y to the power of 14.